Sanmanani and welcome back to another video. Yo, Sana, the streets are talking. They are still talking namanje about ingane zesithembu. So uTirela usenze enye i-Q&A that I caught luckily nje bengibuka ku Instagram because I don't always catch my lives akhe, and mengibuka ama video abanye abantu they always seem interesting. She talks about interesting things ebesingazazi, and yo Sana, it's good ukuthi she makes ama Q&As because then it lets us see thina esingawatholi ama lives akhe. We see ukuthi okay, what people are asking, what people are interested in, what she's comfortable speaking about, and ke Sana, she never disappoints. So one person asked, when did you start listening to uMaskandi? And then waphendula-ke uTirelo wathi, lol, uNompumelelo introduced me to uMaskandi in 2022. And if you guys don't know, apparently uNompumelelo is ex kaSibindi. And Sana, I don't mean to be shady, but angimkhumbuli mina intombazane ekuthiwa uNompumelelo noma usho lo sisi lo that we first knew ukuthi was his girlfriend, lo wavela in one of the seasons yothando nesithembu. I'm hoping it's her. If it's someone else, then ke Sana-ke shithi maningi ngempela amantombazane asekathandana nawo. Omunye-ke uthi ngizokudefenda ngize ngingene ethuneni wemakale. Waphendula-ke uTirelo wathi sofa sonke babe. Omunye-ke ubuza-ke yena ukuthi, do you see yourself with someone else besides uBubesi? And then aphendule-ke uMaskale athi, that was an interesting response. I think it was an attempt towards Tina to keep us guessing ukuthi she might leave the man, but I do not see her leaving. But I see her staying for a very long time as adele, and ukuthi nini-ke lapho asazi. One person asked, what made you resort to Isithembu, and how do you handle constant comparison to other girlfriends? Yo, what a question. And then waphendula, honestly, what I didn't resort to it. I'm just content with myself. So yeah, man, comparison is a thief of joy, nje. Which is true. But I'm just wondering, Guti, what was her thought process when she first dated Usibindi? Because from the TV show Thando Nesithembu, we did see uMpumelelo express ukuthi he would like to have Isithembu. So I'm wondering if uTirelo thought ukuthi lento yabo would not go far, noma nje wayesayingane nje, like mentally engacabanga ukuthi nje one day she would have to accept Isithembu naye mhlawumbe nje uthi uyadlala uguy asazi. But it's just weird nje to think ukuthi she did not resort to it, yet she chose umuntu osithandayo Isithembu futhi ophuma ekhayeni la kunesithembu khona. Here's a question that I want to know. Why did you delete pictures tsa gago le Lion? And obviously she did not answer. This is one question that I wanted her to answer so badly, guys. But she did not. And then another person said, hope with Usibindi serving you the humble pie this season, you've learned that being a mean girl over a boy won't get you far. And then what's he get lol? I didn't know I'm a mean girl over a boy. Shuti sorry ke, but such is life. I don't wanna lie, with this response nje, it just confused me. It's either mhlambe she's completely forgotten ukuthi wayithini, and maybe we should all rewatch that season. And maybe she's one of those girls who don't see anything wrong with taking another girl's man and being cocky about it, angas. But she definitely should have avoided this statement. Yeah, anonymous, because it was a spicy statement. It wasn't even a question. So she could have ignored it, but instead she wanted to reply. But that reply is not satisfactory. People are going to think what they want to think. And obviously, I understand because she doesn't owe anyone an explanation for what happened in season 2. But this issue is going to keep coming up until she explains. Ngoba it's either she takes accountability by apologizing for what happened in season 2, or she just says, you know what guys, let's move on from that. Into yakudala sengikhulile manje. I've learned all that I needed to learn from that situation, and now I'm a better person. That is all. Omunye-ke uthi people are doing far worse things for men. The only difference ukuthi ayikho i-TV, yenza noma ngabe yini eyakho lempilo and then wathi u-Anonymous uqinisile, that is the bottom line. At the end of the day, you do what you want to do, but the problem is when you go on reality TV, you are bound to be judged, criticized, blamed, accused, everything, guys. So I feel like if people know they cannot handle the criticism, the judgments, because we know, guys, abantu banjani, they should not go on reality TV because it will definitely break them. There needs to be some sort of contract mhlawumbe mabe entarisha kulama reality TV where they are asked mhlawumbe be-counselishe kuthiwa, are you sure you want to go on TV? Ngoba you're gonna be criticized ngayo yonke into. Your family, your background, the way you speak, the way you dress, the way you look. Are you ready for all of that? Omunye ke uthi yabona people from that Izingane page on Facebook bayaxova umoya wami ngawe. They act like their lives are perfect besho ngamantshanda. Yeah. And then Kesana Watubiskale, the group still exists, Kanti. I'm so sorry, Mama. Yeah, Sana. And on Facebook ngempela there are groups ey'ngane zesithembu ukuthi angazi ukuthi which one akhuluma ngayo uTirelo. But kuyakhulunywa, guys, out there. Kuyakhulunywa. If you want to seek toxicity ngempela, you can go on Facebook. Uzothola nje. Not even just groups. Nje, if you search iy'ngane zesithembu, uthando nesithembu, you will see people talking. And then another person would say, you're a breath of fresh air. Into endikuthanda yona andifuni nova ngawe. Omunye ko ubuzile ukuthi, what did your mom say after finding out that you are pregnant? And then wathi ke, my mom believes in me so much. She thought I wasn't because I've always been vocal on how I don't want to have kids. She was very disappointed though, but yeah. Omunye ke uthi, I loved it when uBubesi said, uMakale is social lami. I was like, yeah, shame, noma abantu bengathini, you are not going anywhere. And then wathi ke uTirelo, because she knows ukuthi what this person is saying is absolutely insane, guys. This statement nje describes i-fan base kaTirelo, and naye uyabona, I'm sure ukuthi nje wow, ubhekwa nje obekezela nje. Otherwise she would have said no, thank you, because ubonile ukuthi lona nje uyamaketha noma ngempela she believes whatever she's saying kulesi statement, because this is not it, guys. We need to love ourselves. And then omunye uthi, all I'd like to know is ukuthi wenza kanjani sisi, because nami ngikwisithembu somjolo, and mina no girl, we both have 2 kids for this guy, and shame angifuni ukungasho ngakhona, yazi ngiyafuna ukuhamba kodwa angikhoni ngoba yena ungiphatha kahle, ukuthi nje uyawathanda amantombazane. Waphendula kuTirelo wathi nje wayihlekela nje, because this is an insane situation. Wathi, yo hectic, that's all I can say, sisi, all the best. If ugayi ukuphethe kahle, why do you wanna leave? And also, if ukuphethe kahle, why is there another woman who's competing with you when having kids? Ngoba noba u2 nina 2 wena nje girl, you just don't want to lose to the other girl ngoba washiya nje, obviously the other girl is gonna be the main woman in his life, and wena you are not ready to let go of that man and look stupid ngoba already you have 2 kids by him. That is oldish. Because I think this lady, whoever said that, is looking for that, yes sisi asibekezele kuzogcina kulungile. No, it's not right, guys. It's not right. Omunye ke uthi, how would you feel if you were to meet Sibindi's second wife? Wathi ke uTirelo, how? Because they have not been watching the show clearly, because uTirelo is the second wife ngoba ushilo uSibindi wathi uzoqala ngomabiyela ukumlobola. So obviously uTirelo uyena unumber 2. Uthi ke omunye, uTirelo ave ewabasela amaXhosa and uyayithanda leyo nto angayeki. Uthi ke uTirelo, ke swela fela gore ke Motswana nna a gona sesengwe gape. Shuthi-ke uyachaza-ke uTirelo ukuthi nje akukho okunye nje yena azondela khona, uzondela nje ukuthi uMotswana because i-ex kaSibindi was a Xhosa woman. I feel like people took offense to that ukuthi uSibindi chose a Motswana girl over a Xhosa lady. Omunye-ke uthi, how do you deal with social media bullies? And then athi-ke uTirelo, I don't deal with them bandla, they are distressing yanong bachencha more motho or wrong. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing lesisTswana correctly, but I am trying. Bakithi, please understand. And then ke sana omunye-ke uthi, umkhalela kanjani umfana omncane kunawe ave usiphoqa. Hey guys, I don't know if she really did say that, guys, ngoba niyazi with social media people can just copy and paste izinto and make people out to be these horrible people. Yo guys, really, we need to hear Amahle clarify whether she said that or not. Kodwa-ke uthi uTirelo yona, I see what you did there, kodwa ngimkhalele nini. Yo sana, if she really did say that, I think she was referring to the episodes where uTirelo was crying because of the things that uSibindi was doing uyena. And also ke siyazi sonke ukuthi there is an age gap between uTirelo noMpumelelo, but it's not that much, guys, nje to make it a thing ngale ndlela. If she really did say that to Amahle, she's very, very weird for doing that, and she's showing herself ukuthi umuntu onjani and uthuzele ini lana. But ke only time will tell. But ke omunye uthi, ima ubani kanti umakoti wokuqala kaSibindi uwena noma uAmahle? Then aphenduleke uTirelo athi, ayibuzani yena, andikake vela sitshele, sizoyibonela thina nje as things unfold. Omunye athi, umnaksi wakho ngimzwe ethi kuma-comments uyakwazi makuthiwa uyadelela wena. Wathi-ke uTirelo, interesting. Nami shame, it is interesting. Why would she start this beef nomuntu angamazi? It's just weird ngempela. Another fan in a very toxic situation that is looking for comfort from uTirelo. Iti, I'm kinda in the same situation as you, but not entirely. How do you cope? Cause na yena kiyaperisha shame yo lege sabone the other side of the relationship, mara kauri kiatiba hori hunali number 2. I resent that boy so much, mara ene kyamurata. Hey, wathi-ke uTirelo yo. Hayibo guys, nifuna uTirelo athini ngempela? Athini ngoba ngeke akwazi ukunduduza, cause it's gonna make her look even more silly if she were to do that. Omunye-ke uthi, how would you feel if you were not to be taken as the first wife? Athi-ke ew, because the questions, guys. Are we watching the same show? Because it is clear, guys, ukuthi who is first, who is second. Ohamba yakahambe, ongafuna ukuhamba nakhona futhi ku-rights. Wayisholo yena uSibindi. Another person uthi, I'm worried about you. And then aphenduleke athi, same. Hey, and to be honest, we all are worried because she's such a beautiful lady, and staying in this situation is only detrimental to her health, mental health, you know, because I feel like she'll be wasting all of her 20s, all of her good years nalo guy. Nanokuthi nje she doesn't have much experience in dating, which is why she's holding on to this relationship kakhulu kanjena, and she's so committed. And then omunye uthi, if you were to break up with the lion, ungaya kwesinye isithembu na? Wathi-ke, I don't know yazi. Sana, I think nje she still has so many years nje in front of her. I think once she decides to leave this guy, she will see ukuthi nje there's so much more to life than, you know, ukubekezela, especially being so young. I think ukubekezela bafethu is for people mhlampe in their 40s and upwards. Usubona uthi, okay, like I've experienced life, I've dated around, you know what, I want to settle down and all of that. Athi komunye-ke, hayibo, uyamazi uNompumelelo, the ex-girlfriend, uyena who introduced you to uMaskandi. Wathi-ke uGeli, yes, Omunye-ke u-Anonymous is curious whether she wants a boy or a girl next. Wathi-ke uTirelo she doesn't want a baby. And Minaga just wish that she had ignored this question, because life will be lifing, and then the next thing she's gonna be pregnant again, and then people are gonna be like, but you said you don't want a baby. So for her peace of mind, nje, I feel like it would be so beneficial for Yena to just ignore lama questions akanje. But I feel like she likes this attention ain't her lie. She likes having people, speculate, bekhuluma indaba zakhe and stuff. Otherwise, she would not have done this Q&A nje to begin with. And then omunye uthi, ayazi, I wish umnax wakho angavumeli ama-fans we-ex yasibindi angene kuye ngoba khona into abayenzayo bazoniqhatha. Athi-ke uTirelo hayi, because I think uTirelo nje bakithi she has learned her lesson. I don't think she's gonna let that happen. But guess sizobona on the show. Athomonye, when will you go live? I miss your laughs. Wathi-ke uTirelo, never again. Yo sana, I wonder what happens kulawo ma-lives, because I never seem to catch them. Uthi-ke u-Anonymous, was it your idea ukuthi uBhubesi noMavico ba-acte as abantu abajulayo ukuze kuhambe uvuyo? Basho njalo phela kuleya group. I believe that uBhubesi no-Amahle baya-acta as well, and then after the show uzodelete iy'thombe zakhe. Wathi uTirelo, hayibo, mina futhi, yo angazi lutho sisi. This was such a crazy question, because what do you mean? What do you mean, guys? Ungenaphi uTirelo ey'ndabeni zaBhubesi noMavico noBhubesi no-Amahle? Like, I understand, guys. Hayibo, abantu-ke phela bazi ukuthi bazobuzani. Uthi-ke omunye, wati utlwela dilo tse sibindi adibulelang ko-diary. Uthi-ke yena-ke uTiri, yey ke makala le lona sontaga engwe le engwe. She is so real for this, because I truly believe Linda Ishoyo. And she could have said ukuthi, yes, ngiyazazi, I already know yonke into siyenzekele and everything like that. But the fact that she spoke the truth, washo nje ukuthi, yo, every Sunday uya find out her. I think that's the one thing that I respect her the most for, ukuthi she's honest, ukuthi the same things that the ex-girlfriends were dealing with, she is also dealing with, instead of pretending as if everything is perfect because of the things she said in the past. Omunye-ke uthi, why do you prefer speaking isiZulu over Setswana? Is it because of your man? And then aphenduleke athi, I speak isiZulu because I would be communicating with Zulu people who don't really know Setswana. On my diaries, why would I get there and switch? Also, if I was not speaking isiZulu, I'm sure I'd be catching smoke. Yes, Kesana, that is the truth. I believe her. And then Kesana athi-ke omunye, where did you and Lion meet, and who said I love you first? Athi Kesana Ogeli, Instagram, and he was the first one who said I love you. Yay, uSibindi is not beating the allegations, Kesana. Hi, intombi zo social media. Hi, Bosana. But I don't want to lie, like, uwakhetha kahle amantombazane akhe, most of them, ngoba they do seem like amantombazane akhuliswe kahle who don't have a track record of dating a lot of people. And to be honest, I would rather he choose like this than go for ama-slay queen la amancane nje who are up and coming, owabonayo nje ukuthi nje ade ayiqala lempilo.